Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance RAM with the G.SKILL Flare X5 series DDR5 RAM. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our in-depth tech reviews. Let's explore what this DDR5 RAM has to offer. The G.SKILL Flare X5 series DDR5 RAM is designed with one thing in mind: performance. Specifically crafted for AMD platforms, this memory kit is ideal for those using the AMD X670 series chipset with Ryzen 7000 series CPUs or newer. Let's take a closer look. Inside the box, you'll find a 32GB kit containing two 16GB modules. This DDR5 6000 memory operates at a blazing fast memory speed of 6000 ms. With a 288-pin design and CAS latency at 1.35 volts, it's optimized for AMD systems. One standout feature is the AMD Expo support. These profiles simplify memory overclocking through the BIOS on compatible motherboards. It's a one-step process that lets you unlock the RAM's full potential. Beyond performance, the Flare X5 modules feature a sleek matte black design. The minimalist aesthetics draw inspiration from classic racing stripes and grills, making them a great fit for various build themes. G.SKILL is known for quality, and the Flare X5 is no exception. Each memory kit undergoes rigorous testing and uses hand-screened ICs to ensure outstanding reliability and performance. A quick word of caution: G.SKILL strongly advises against mixing memory kits. These kits are sold in matched sets designed to run together for stability. Mixing them can lead to system instability or failure, so it's best to stick with a single kit. In conclusion, the G.SKILL Flare X5 series DDR5 RAM is a powerhouse memory kit designed for AMD enthusiasts. With AMD Expo support, stunning aesthetics, and top-notch quality assurance, it's a solid choice for high-performance overclocking and gaming. If this video helped you understand the capabilities of the G.SKILL Flare X5 DDR5 RAM, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. For more tech reviews and insights, subscribe to Product Critique. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. High-performance computing, here we come.